In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Barclays Personal Loans account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in barclays.co.uk. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Barclays. In order to access your loans, what you have to do is simply log into your Barclays account. For that, make sure personal is selected over here. If it is not selected, simply click on it. After you do that, make sure to click on the option personal. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. You can see over here you'll be able to log in to your account. You'll be able to log in via the membership number or card number, or you can also use the sort code and account number over here. So simply click on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for membership number, what you have to do is enter the last name over here. After you do that, enter the membership number. Make sure to enter the correct number. If you do not know your membership number, click on this option, don't know your membership number, and you'll be able to access it. If you want this browser to remember your last name and login method, simply check on this box. Now after you do that, scroll down and click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts. Also go through the security verification. If you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you might also have to go through the authentication method. After you do all that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Barclays Personal Loans account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.